is family. Are you guys listening to me? Now, let this be a man of color in a situation like this in Canada and say, alright, yo, you know, me kill the man, one man down a driftwood, and you know the man them a go kill my family, the driftwood gang member them. Do you think the Canadian police them would say, okay, turn yourself in, we charge you with manslaughter, you give us some information, you understand, we protect your family, anonymous, and give him 6 years in prison. This man gets 6 years, you know, to kill a Hell's Angel gang member, dog, biker gang member. And I know black guys who have argument at one dance in a Canada, end up shoot, and the man at 25 years, 20 years, 10 to life. You understand? And those situations would more warranted like a second degree or maybe even a first degree manslaughter instead of murder. And these white boys can get away with these kind of sentencing in a fucking Canada. Yes, my wonderful people, it's me, Countryman. Now, to watch the full video, the full episode of this video, click on the link below, and that will take you to Countryman Canada, where the full video is on that YouTube channel. And this video is 17 to 18 minutes long. So this right here is a preview of the entire video. Y'all should check it out. Okay, Countryman Canada YouTube channel, brought to you by Countryman and 6 Degrees. Click on the link below to watch the full video.